In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag, stutter, and low FPS in WWE 2K18 for smooth gameplay. All you have to do is go to graphics settings, set the screen resolution to 1280 into 720, set 60 Hz, window mode no, VSync off, shadows off, FXWA off, texture to low, and audience density to 0. Setting 0 can be boost FPS, depth of field set it to off, motion blur off, and now press the spacebar key and select the yes option, and the settings has been saved. Again press spacebar, and WWE 2K games heavily uses CPU and GPU. Lowering these gives immediate performance gain. After doing this, even if you want lower your graphics, then open up File Explorer and go to Documents and open the WWE 2K18 folder and right click on the config and select Edit in Notepad and change this texture quality to 0. All settings are already saved. Audience delisation, set this to off and then select File and select Save option, and this is the lowest possible settings. The third method, you just need to update your graphics card driver, guys. To do this, open the graphics card program. In my case, I have NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab, select the check for updates option, and if you have any available update listed over here, then select the download option and install the latest available driver. The fourth method, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Select the add desktop app option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game application file and select open option. Then find the game. Select the game and select GPU preference to high performance. This settings prevent Windows from using power saving mode. Just close stuff here. And the final method, just right click and select open task manager. And before starting the game, make sure to close every unnecessary in the background. Just right click on it and select end task. Something unnecessary running, then right click and select close it, and then close stuff here and launch the game, and this can help you to fix the problem, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.